Welcome to your path to a construction career. This guide will provide you with an overview of the sector and how you can break into it. Construction careers combine physical labor with specialized expertise, offering diverse and rewarding opportunities. Construction projects involve teamwork among professionals with diverse skills. Let's explore some key roles in construction. Construction managers oversee building projects, ensuring their safety, timeliness, and budget compliance. Builders construct and repair homes and buildings, often specializing in areas like plastering, flooring, or bathroom installations. Electricians and plumbers install and maintain essential utilities like electrical systems and plumbing. Engineering construction technicians combine engineering, design, and practical skills to build and maintain structures and machinery. Construction machinery operators operate heavy equipment to move materials and machinery on site. Teamwork is crucial in construction projects, as everyone must understand their role and how it contributes to the overall project. Effective communication with colleagues is essential, whether you're working on a wall or updating a client on progress. Attention to detail is essential in construction, as you'll often follow detailed plans created by others. Practical skills, including physical fitness, strength, and the ability to perform precise tasks, are required for many roles in construction. Basic math skills are crucial for tasks like measuring areas or mixing materials in the correct ratios. Through school, college, or university, you can gain experience by using tools in design and technology classes and completing construction-related projects. Apprenticeships and internships offer on-the-job training and practical experience in construction. Construction projects result from teamwork among professionals with diverse skills. Explore the different roles, develop the essential skills, and gain experience through education, apprenticeships, or internships to start your construction career journey today. Start your journey today and build a rewarding career in construction.